Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enhance image quality using your Fotor AI. Fotor is an easy to use online and mobile photo editing tool that uses AI technology to improve image quality in just a few clicks. Whether your photo is blurry, low resolution, dark or lacks detail, Fotor's AI features can automatically sharpen, brighten and upscale it without needing advanced editing skill. It is perfect for the beginners, students or anybody who wants quick professional looking result. First, you need to open your Fotor app on a device, and over here you can select your edit photo in the top, and over here what you can do is you can simply tap on the photo that you want to upload and it will automatically appear in your editing workspace over here. On the bottom, swipe a bit down under this icon over here until you find to this photo enhancer. Tap on the photo enhancer there beside the magic eraser, and over here it will automatically start enhancing your photo. Here you can also select the lighting. You can select to this advanced professional as well, and that is it. After you're done, you can tap on the bottom right small check mark, and Fotor makes image enhancement fast, simple and beginner friendly. Using AI with just one click, you can turn dull or blurry photos into clear, vibrant images, perfect for the social media. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.